To clear cache of a specific app in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, go to app screen and then find the desired app you like to clear its cache. To find the app quickly, tap the search and then type the app name. Now long tap the app icon and then select app info. Scroll down the screen. Under usage section, tap storage and then tap clear cache. As a note, you can do this to fix speed issue and free up some space, because clear cache of a specific app can remove residual files that could be slowing down the app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.